And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Forecast for tomorrow on the south coast, south winds 20 knots, seas 11 feet. And for the north coast, east to southeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Lynn Canal, Stevens Passage, southeast winds 20 knots. And for Clarence Strait, southeast at 30 with 7-foot seas. Forecast for Friday, lighter winds here on the south coast from the south and southeast at about 10 knots. Seas still up around 8 to 9 feet. 9-foot seas with southeast winds at 20 knots on the north coast. And for the inside channels and waters, winds light southeast at 2 feet, seas 2 feet. Slight seas at 2 feet with southeast winds at 10 knots. And for Prince William Sound, southeast tomorrow at 20 knots. Same thing for the eastern North Gulf Coast. North winds at 20 for northern Cook Inlet, turn northwest at 15 south of the Forelands. Then we've got gale warnings going here for Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands, west-northwest 35 knots with 8 to 10-foot seas. And for the day Friday, small craft advisories now, so slowly diminishing winds here for Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands, northwest 25 to 30 knots. Cook Inlet, north to northeast winds, 10 to 15 knots. Small craft advisories for the eastern North Gulf Coast for east-southeasterlies at 25. Small craft advisories also for Prince William Sound, east winds 25 knots with 6-foot seas. Kodiak Island, northwesterlies tomorrow, 25 knots, seas 6 feet. Alaska Peninsula, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. And for Bristol Bay, winds northwest at 25 knots. Lighter winds in store for Friday here for all areas. Kodiak Island westerlies of 15 to 20 knots with 3 to 5 foot seas. Northeast 15 for Bristol Bay, and for the Alaska Peninsula, east to northeast winds at 10 to 15 knots. And for Unalaska Island tomorrow, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Unimak Island south-southeast at 15. Adak and Atka looking at south winds of 15 to 20 knots. And for the western Aleutians, west-southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. For the day on Friday, western Aleutians, northwest at 20. Variable winds 10 to 15 knots for Adak and Atka. Unimak Island, west to northwest at 15. Winds will be light for Unalaska Island. And for the southwest coast, tomorrow, northwesterlies 10 to 20 knots. West at 10 for the Pribilofs, light variable winds for St. Matthew Island. And St. Lawrence Island, Norton Sound, northwesterlies at 20 knots, seas 4 feet. Norton Sound on Friday, northwest winds 15 knots. St. Lawrence Island, light north breeze at 10. And the southwest coast, light northeasterly breezes as well at 10 to 15 knots. And winds will be light and variable out over the Bering Sea. For the eastern Beaufort Sea coast tomorrow, east-northeast winds 20 to 30 knots on the central coast, northeast at 30 with seas 7 feet, and northeast 25 for the western Arctic coast, 5-foot seas there, and the Chukchi Sea north to northeast at 20 knots with 4 to 5-foot seas. Then for the day on Friday for the Chukchi Sea, north to northwest winds at 15 knots, seas 3 feet. North at about 20 for the western Arctic coast, 5-foot seas there. Northeast at 15 with 6-foot seas for the central coast. And then winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 knots for the eastern Beaufort Sea.